in front of me Honor 8X, and I'll show you how to take this series of pictures at the same time on this device. So first you should launch the camera application, and just to take a series of pictures you should just hold the this white button and just will check that. So as can you see here, we got number how many pictures we just do. So we can check that, and now we'll go just to the gallery, and here as can you see we got the just icon that's a series of a picture, and here you can see all of the pictures of this series, and you can select, for example, the 3 of pictures and just save only 3, not 53 ones. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.